Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. This week, we're talking again about back to school and how to get prepared. If you don't have kids, you can also take this as the season of this is back to, work or fall, or maybe it is a time to renew your wardrobe. Either way, if you end up doing a little bit of shopping for yourself or your kids, this is a great opportunity. Instead of shoving those new items back into the wardrobe selection, we want to just really do a thorough declutter of the items that are currently in there. I know for my kids, I need to go through their drawers and I need to go through their hanging items because a lot of it no longer fits them. It's worn out. It's maybe had its last, like the pants have some holes in them and socks and all that stuff. And it's just a good time to go through and purge that and figure out what actually still fits. Also, there could potentially be a lot of items that they just didn't wear at all. And those can be great items to donate to somebody who might be coming into those sizes. So before we integrate all of the new items from, back to school shopping or back to work shopping, really want you to take a thorough look at what's in the drawers, what's in the closet first, and just quickly make that paring down decision of what needs to stay and what needs to go. Once you get that stuff out of there and you're pretty much left with the things that fit them and that actually work, then it's a matter of, folding up or hanging items or even using baskets. Some kids like a Monday through Friday labeled bins where they know they can just easily grab the things they need for each day and go. We've also done sports bins where if it's soccer night, there's a soccer bin and the soccer gear is all in that bin nicely. Maybe Tuesday is, taekwondo or something, right? And so we've set up different category bins in their closets. So not only are they able to pick their clothes for the school day, but then if we know we have an activity that night, we can easily go in, grab those items, put them on, or put them in the bag and head out the door. So let's optimize school year and make it less stressful for you this year. And if you're having problems, of course, reach out to us. Otherwise, I would love to hear how it works for you in the comments. And we will see you next week for another Just the Tip.